All right, this is for 2 boxes of 2018 retail Allen and Ginter. These are 24-pack boxes that have the retail mini inserts, but they have all the hobby inserts and stuff too. But these are probably 1-hit boxes versus 3-hit boxes. But we're going to find out and see what we get. So let's get started here and see how it goes. If you would like any of these retail boxes, they are $69. I don't have them in the store yet, but if you'd like to purchase some, they are $69 a box. You can just go through and pick up OTH bucks or pay on the PayPal if you're on Breakers. If you would like a box of this stuff, and we'll see how we go. We have 6 additional boxes from the case. I just took the first 2 on the top to see what's in it. So anyway, that kind of gives you an idea of some of the stuff in there. So let's see how retail 2018 Allen & Ginter breaks. And then we'll see what we want to do from there. Now the only difference, you won't have the hot boxes with the all glossy parallels. Those are hobby only. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. Rodney, Yelich, Jackson, Andrus. Andrus is a short print, 326. You will get 12 of those per box, just like hobby. There is the Indigenous Heroes Tecumseh mini insert and the Beaches insert, World's Greatest Beaches. So that's a hobby retail both insert on both of those. As you can see, you can get all of them in here, so it's not going to be an issue. All right, Grychek, Springer. There's a Todd Frazier rookie card for the Yankees. Perez. We have a mini rookie of Blackburn for the A's, and that is an AG back. That's the second parallel. So those are 1 and 8 packs. And then we got a World Talents from South Korea, Ryu. That's a 50 card set if I remember right. So we'll set those out to the side. I'm going to put these right up above the base. Rookies out to the side. And we'll continue on. Hey, Jordan, what's up? So I'm glad you popped on, Jordan. I went ahead and ordered 2 more cases of the retail 2018. So I'm going to open a couple of boxes and so we can see what's in the 2018. I know it's good because it's got a bunch of rookies like Gleyber Torres, rookie, and Chipper Jones, Rappaport, Chapman, and I believe Chapman, yes, Chapman is the short print, number 310. We then have a Folio of Fears, Astrophobia, the fear of lightning, and the catcher's mitt on the modern equipment, baseball equipment card. That's like a 30 card set, and it was one of the hardest ones for collation to put together. So anyway, these retail boxes will be $69 versus $150 for a hobby. And what I'm checking on is to see if they will, yeah, I'm going to go $69 a piece on them to do as individuals. And I went ahead and ordered a couple of more cases, so we'll do the break on them after we do the 19. That way we can kind of see. I looked back and I only have 1 base set of this, so I wanted to go ahead and open a couple myself and try to run another couple of sets together. Spragnick, Mookie Betts, Upton, Beckham, and we got a black Zobrist for the Cubs. So that's the mini parallel black. That's about 1 in 10. Fantasy Goldmine was the other set they did this year, and this one is Jim Thome for the Indians. These, I believe, were 50 card sets for both of these, so we'll see. I'll check on that, but I'm pretty sure that we did 2 50 card sets this year instead of 100 card set. Oh yeah, this was the one that also had the planets in it and stuff. All right, Benjamin, Pollock, Doolittle. There's Ryu. And we've got a short print 302 Justin Tucker mini. Oh, sorry, Justin Turner. Sorry, my bad. So short print 302 Justin Turner Mini. And we got Io, which is a moon for Jupiter. Yes, Jupiter, Io, moon. So basically those are moons in our solar system. Now I'm 4 packs in. Just the standard stuff. 4 packs into the box, so this is number 5. I'm recording it to do a video, so it'll be up on the video. Method Man, Kluber, Cobb. Okay, and they put the Home Run Challenge cards for this year in all the different products, so you'll hit them in this too. They're in Series 1, they're in Heritage, they're in everything. So Matt Davidson Home Run Challenge card. So it's just a set, and it's done throughout the whole thing this year. These are already expired. We got Exotic Sports, which is the retail insert for Ginter minis this year, and Exotic Sport of Watercross, which is basically doing snowmobile machines on water, which is crazy. And World Talent, Puerto Rico, Carlos Carrera. And if you haven't done the sets this year, I've got a master set of this myself already. That is an absolute beautiful set. 18 was a fantastic year for just cards in general. Ended up having some really good ones by the end. All right. Rivera, Bell, Alonso, and that's not Pete Alonso, that's Yonder Alonso. Newcomb. We got a mini black of Michael Conforto for the New York Mets. So that'll be the 2 black border base cards for the set. World's Greatest Beaches, Bora Bora. All right, there's a Blackburn rookie for the A's. Ichiro. Sims for the Braves. Lucas Sims. He's actually still pitching well for him. And there's J.D. Davis, right? J.D. Davis rookie. That time he was with the Astros, but he's now with Boston, I believe. And we have a Nick Williams short print rookie. Short print rookie Nick Williams. Base. And Steve Carlton. Wins above replacement 90.5. Fantasy Gold Mine. James. Swanson. Zanino. Andy Pettit should be short print, number 340, Andy Pettit. Nelson Cruz for the Mariners. And that's an AG back. And batting shin guards. Baseball equipment of the ages. It's a really cool set on the baseball equipment because it shows how over the years the different masks and stuff came in to do things. If you're going to buy a case, yes, because you're going to get a whole bunch of stuff. But if you're looking for like short prints and inserts and stuff to build sets, then you want to buy boxes. Coin, Walker, Castillo, Conforto, and a Gonzalez Mini. And this one is Marlon Gonzalez Base Mini. And Altuve World Talent. Yeah, it's kind of like buy the non-sport and then buy your team, so that way if you hit Reds or stuff like that, you can get the teams you want. That's what I do. Because then you get the minis and the World Talents and all that stuff for them if you don't have them already. Smith, Greg Maddux, That was a huge card back in 18. All the geeks were buying cryptocurrency cards. They were like $3 a piece for the base one, and the foil ones and parallels were selling ridiculous. Cryptocurrency. And Sandy Alcantara rookie card. That ought to be coming up in price in the next year or two. This kid's really good. And he is a short print, so Alcantara rookie is a short print. Exotic Sports, Belly Flopping. And Ganymede. Ganymede, that's another one of the moons of Jupiter. Ganymede. I sold several sets of those to school teachers to use for science because it had more information and showed a picture of the card than anything they could find. So, kind of cool. Winkler. Delmonico rookie for the White Sox. Bueller for the Dodgers. Duval. And the cryptocurrency mini. Will it be a good one? It will be the base one. Alright, so base mini of cryptocurrency. And a fantasy gold mine of Brooks Robinson for the Baltimore Orioles. That's the first row. I put them in the mail today, priority 2-day. They might actually get there on Monday. We'll see. I wrapped them in bubble real good and put them in one of the flat rate envelopes, the big padded envelopes and stuff, so it'll bounce. Everything's packed tight in there, so you're good. Should be there Monday, maybe Tuesday, but should be Monday. McDonald, Rodon, Rosario, Merrifield, I think is a short print. Yep, 301 with Merrifield. There's a Cooper rookie for the Marlins. Garrett Cooper for the Marlins, 199. And Bondi Beach, world's greatest beaches. Now, I think Bondi is, yeah, Sydney, Australia. So that's down on Australia Beach. Haven't been to Australia yet. That's another one I want to go to. I think that's going to be a lot of fun. There's Evans. Yeah, Evans is the eating chicken wings while hanging with celebrities. Seems unbelievable. That's a actual, got a card for that. There's a nice Nolan Ryan for the Rangers. Pujols. There's Moncada. And an Austin Hayes, rookie for the Orioles. That's a nice hit. Base card. I'm still working on my mini set of 18 Jordan, so I had to bust a couple. I got bored. But I went ahead and ordered 2 more cases of this because it was a good price. Martinez for the Red Sox on the World Talent. Cueto, DeGrom, Taylor, Dickerson for the Pirates, and I think that's our short print. Yeah, Corey Dickerson for the Pirates, short print number 320. Here we go, everybody's favorite college sport, Exotic Sports, beer pong. Number 20. Baseball equipment, bases of all ages. That's actually a more modern one, opening day. They actually have the old cloth bags from back in the 20s and stuff in this too. Pretty cool. Zach Granite for the Twins, rookie. Strasburg. Stevens. It's Andrew Stevens, right? No, Jackson Stevens, the pitcher. Jackson Stevens, rookie for the Reds. Zimmerman Nationals. Trey Mancini. That's an AG back. And a fancy gold mine, Ricky Henderson. Had a WAR rating of 111.2. It's pretty good. Brian Anderson, right? Yep, Brian Anderson rookie for the Marlins. A Cole Calhoun rookie for the Texas Rangers. Biz Markey. And let's see, this one is Todd Frazier. Yeah, Todd Frazier. Clint Frazier was Yankees. Todd Frazier was Mets. Same year rookies. 331 short print for the Mets. Indigenous Heroes, Geronimo. And another moon, Enceladus. Enceladus. Enceladus? That's a moon of Saturn. Enceladus. There we go. Get rid of that one. Okay. Wagner. There's Jeter. Okay, we did get a patch card in this one. So we are getting a memorabilia in this box. Jonathan Schoop. Jonathan Schoop for the Orioles. Nice jersey, and that is an A jersey. There's an A and a B. So that is the A. And we're getting Flags of Lost Nations, Persia. And a World Talent of Ramirez for the Mariners, Felix Ramirez. Nicaragua, as Erasmo Ramirez from Nicaragua. All right. So that's good to know. We are going to get, looks like we're going to hit them. We'll see how we do in the second box and see if we actually get them in each box. If we do, it's fine. I would imagine there's probably only going to be one or two autos in the case, but I mean, that's really about all you get in the regular Allen Ginters. You get 3 or 4 in a hobby out of 12 boxes, so shouldn't be that bad. Lacamote, Cruz, Rogers. There's a Dustin Fowler, rookie short print, number 311. Quiddith. Little sequester about this on Quidditch. My cousin, Alex Benepe, invented the game for the NCAA. So it is actually played by some of the Ivy League schools, and he is the founder and president of the American Quidditch Association. Yes, adults running around on broomsticks playing games. Gotta admit, it's not the best thing to be admitting to, but his father is actually a rather famous person. He is the parks director for the New York Park District, Central Park and all that stuff, and he was the commissioner for like 30 years. So well known up in the New York area anyway. Quidditch. World's greatest beaches, the Bay of Angels. So as you can see, the non-baseball hits a lot in this. So when you do breaks on these, that's usually the first spot that goes. And it's going to be expensive, but you get a lot of cards because there's a lot of non-baseball related stuff in this. Hicks, Contreras. There's the Aaron Judge second year card. It's a pretty nice one too. Number 7. Gave him Mickey Mantle's number. Number 7, card 7. Margot, which is base. And probably the best of the series of the minis in 18, the postage stamps. That was my favorite. Landings of Columbus, the 15-cent card. Those are 1 in 50, so those are really, really hard to put together. Fancy Gold Mine, Jackie Robinson. '80s chest protector on that one. All right, Franco for the Phillies, Piazza, Stevens, and I believe that is Andrew Stevens, yes. Andrew Stevens, rookie for the Nationals. He came up big for him. Bitch Haniger is a short print, number 317 for the Mariners. And there is a black bordered Bouchard. And that is a tennis player, Jeannie Bouchard. And the 1880s chest protector. Let me tell you something. You catch a fastball off the chest with that damn thing. These were filled with straw, and I'll bet it hurt like hell. Because those things were hard as a rock. Chest protector. All right, 3 packs left in the first box here. Anderson, Maeda, Molina, Stanton, Giancarlo. Oh, if I remember right, that's one of his early first Yankees cards. So, fairly nice. Cole Hamels, short print for the Rangers. And Gleyber Torres, rookie on the World Talents from Venezuela. 2 packs left. Alright, come on. Oh, I hate those things. Simone, Benintendi, Fowler, Seng for the Cubs, rookie. And that's a short print, number 350. We got a Ryan Sandberg mini. And that's an AG back. And Miranda, which is another one of the Uranus moons. No jokes, guys. No jokes. It's just a plan. Heidi Plum. Heidi Plum? Kelsey Plum. Yeah, Heidi Plum. That's the wrong one. Most prolific soccer scorer in Division I women's basketball history with 3,527 points. Pretty nice. Murphy, Iglesias, Rice Hoskins rookie card, and that's not a short print. And Jose Abreu mini base. And Jimmy Fox for the Red Sox Fantasy Gold Mine. And that finishes that first box. So we did get a hit. So it was the Jonathan Schoop for the Baltimore Orioles in the first box. So that's every bit as good as what you would expect to get in a hobby box on one of the hits. So there we go. All right, we got 1, 2, 3 out of 50, 1 in 50 inserts. We got 3 blacks, 4 AG backs, and we hit 4 of the retail inserts. That's about right. They're 1 in 6. So that's hitting about where it should. All the 1 in 50 ones are the same odds in hobby, so you're not getting those any easier there. So not too bad. I think that was worthwhile as far as for price point, and certainly for breaking and stuff, it'll be fun. All right, so base cards, rookies, and short prints. All right, we got 1 of the Home Run Challenge cards in that box. It looks like 1 a box on those. So this will just be for putting the set together now. Matt Davidson for the White Sox. So they're not going to be any real value on those as far as opening goes, but it'll be still part of the set. All right, box number 2. Let's see what we get here. Once again, they could do away with the size of the box. It's probably more so they did it to get the stature of the box and stuff. All right. So there we go. All right, box number 2. Sabathia, McCutchen, Pham, Starlin Castro short print, Indigenous Heroes, and Beaches. And I'm just going slow because I'm doing this more for a video. If we were ripping this, we'd be running through them and pulling the inserts. Mainly just so for informational stuff. Uriel, Gibson, Sandberg, 213. We got a Barreto, Franklin Barreto, AG back, and Freeman World Talent. Canada. Good player. Freddie Freeman. Underrated good player. Fredrickson. Nola. Kimbrell. A Jones rookie. That is Ryder Jones. Short print for the Giants. Chess boxing. Exotic Sports. I have no idea what the hell that is. Chess boxing? Anybody got an idea what chess boxing is? I don't know. Sickler, Crawford, Gordon, Moustakis, base, and another Hawaiian postage 2-cent stamp. It's a 1 in 50 insert. And Seaver wins above replacement. Panic, Verlander, Chance Cisco rookie for the Orioles. Cole Hamels for the Rangers. That is a short print, number 325. Got a Weaver, black border, Luke Weaver for the Cardinals. And Io again. Duped up on our first insert. That's only a 10-card set, though, so it usually dupes up pretty well. Shaw. Russell. Okay, we get a patch card in this one, so there we go. Looks like we get a hit per. This one is Wilson Contreras for the Cubs with a little pinstripe in action going on, so that's not too bad. So no autos. We didn't do that. 346 Dwight Gooden short print, black. Machado on the World Talent. All right, now we'll just see if we hit anything extra in the boxes and stuff. See if we get more than one hit per. There's another Gleyber Torres rookie. Jones. Winfield and Rendon is a short print, 324. And Ostrich Racing. World's Greatest Beaches, Bora Bora again. And that one is a nice one. Down in an island somewhere in the South Pacific. Sporagnic, Betts, Bouchard, Lamb, a Will Clark short print, and that is a base. Ted Williams, Fantasy Gold Mine. Benjamin. Pollock. There's a Rizzo. Chapman for the Yankees. Short print number 309. Seems like Chapman is a short print in everything and every year. A nice Springer mini, and that's AG back. And a modern catcher's mask. Method Man, Kluber, Visal, Abreu, a Moncada mini, that's a base, and Cespedes for Cuba, World Talent. A little header card there. Montgomery for the Yankees, Posey, Kinsler, Woodruff rookie, and that's a short print for the Milwaukee Brewers. Woodruff rookie. Adam Duvall, Cincinnati Reds base, and card's okay. Ganymede, Jupiter Moon. Second stack. Kemp, Schwarber, Ramirez, Eddie Rosario, Ahmad Rosario for the Mets, rookie. Jason Kipnis for the Cleveland, Indians, base card. And Ozzie Smith for the Cardinals fantasy team. Nelson, Italian, Bregman, Diaz for the Mariners, short print, number 328. And we get a Chief Pontiac for the Indigenous Heroes. And Venice Beach. That is Florida. Jock Peterson, Gallo, Clevenger, and Martinez. And there's Prussia, Flags of Lost Nations. So 1 in 50. A Puerto Rico, Baez, World Talent. Segura, Tomei, a Bridwell rookie, and a Urena Blue Jays rookie. And that is a short print, 322. Folio of Fears, Aviophobia. Trying to remember that one. Fear of Flying, Aviophobia. There's a Black Encarnacion for the Indians. Modern Sunglasses, as modeled by Bryce Harper. Interesting set. Bomb Cyclone, Greinke, Zimmer, Myers for the Padres, and that is Will Myers, but not a short print. And Eric Fetty for the Washington Nationals, short print on the AG back, rookie. That's kind of cool. And a Koufax Fantasy Gold Mine. So, just in case you know, I also do short inserts and short prints and parallels and everything for Allen Ginter, for Heritage, pretty much all of the Topps products. Here's a Will Clark, short print, number 316. So if you need short prints or need anything, you can let me know and we can get stuff to you. There's a Lucas Sims for the Braves, rookie, AG back, and the Moon, which is for us. Or Soul, I think it says. Wainwright, Sanchez, Marine National Monument card, and a Joey Votto, and Arenado mini base, and Felix Hernandez, yes, for the World Talent. Manaya, Samson Park, Ernie Banks, Nick Williams. Yeah, Nick Williams, short print rookie for the Philadelphia Phillies. Roberto Clemente mini, AG back. And Harbor Island, World's Greatest Beaches. Giolito, Dozier, Jansen. Just feel different. Man. I guess not. Stroman. Got a Riley. Oh, that's, what's his name? Lincoln Riley, football coach for the Oakland, OU. Oklahoma University. University of Oklahoma, Lincoln Riley. Then he was a replacement quarterback for Texas Tech. And Clemens for the Red Sox fantasy. 4 packs left in this one. Anyway, not bad boxes for $70, and especially if you're working on sets. Total Solar Eclipse, Lou Gehrig, Lindsey Vaughn, Turner. Turner is a short print 302. Barry Larkin for the Reds, and that is a base. And Eye Black, baseball equipment of the ages. Rogowski, Hosmer, Braun, and Machado still in his Baltimore uniform. Bradley Jr., base. And Kepler, world talent from Germany. 2 packs left. Epstein, got a rookie of Rafael Devers. Austin Hayes rookie. A Darryl Strawberry. The Straw Man is a short print. 338. Darryl Strawberry. Underwater Hockey for Exotic Sport. And Titan, which is the largest moon of Saturn. Last pack in the 2-box break. Not bad stuff. I mean, for the price, you know, I mean, you're not getting the jerseys and stuff, but you're still hitting something on them, and you get all the other stuff. So for the price point, it's not bad. You can hit autos. You're not going to get more than 1 auto in a hobby box anyway, so, and a lot of them don't have anything. Jack Flaherty rookie. The jerseys are $3, $4, $5 a piece, so you're not spending a lot of extra money. You're not hitting on. So if you're working on mini sets or insert sets or base cards, not a bad way to buy stuff, or just buy your team in the breaks and stuff. Do it that way. Paul DeYoung, 278, and a Justin Bauer for the Miami Marlins, and that's AG back. And last one, Fantasy Gold Mine, Bob Gibson. All right, so that's the break. So these boxes are $69 a piece. We're going to do breaks. The big teams will be $59 on the Angels, $49 on some of the others that have the big rookies for this year. It is Shohei Ohtani you're looking for. He is in the set. So, and we didn't hit one. So, but we hit a lot of the other guys. So not too bad. We got a couple of the Gleyber Torres. He was bigger early in that set. So not too bad in the 18. And that will do it for this break. So thank you very much. You can pick these boxes up for $69 in the store. And we'll go from there. Thank you very much. Have a good day.